Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I want to talk to you about the 3 elements of an estate plan. Before I get into that, I want to give you my contact information. You can follow along on my social media at Amanda Rocha Law. There you can give me a direct message or comment on any of my videos or posts. You can find me on my website at www.amandarocalaw.com. You can schedule an intake through my calendar without even having to call me, or you can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that. So what are the 3 elements of an estate plan? First of all, I want to just tell you that so many people call or email me and ask me, what could I possibly want to do other than create a will and say who will receive my property when I pass away? I don't understand the big deal with estate planning. My answer is always, estate planning is not just death planning, it's life planning. So there are multiple things to consider, and I think of it as 3 different elements. The first element is, what happens to you if you become incapacitated? Who is going to care for you? What's going to happen to your property during your lifetime? What is going to happen to your body if you can't say what's going on with yourself? So that is why we have advanced healthcare directives, powers of attorney, HIPAA releases, that kind of thing. It's what's happening to you during your lifetime and your property during your lifetime. Number 2, what happens to your property when you pass away? That's element number 2, right? That's what most people think about as what goes in a will, but it also is in your trust, and that has to do with beneficiaries and other accounts as well. And the third element is protecting others and assets. So I guess it could be 4, but I look at protection as a third element. So if you have minor children or dependents, your estate plan is going to discuss and provide for what happens to them when you've passed away or become incapacitated. If it's a minor child, you will choose guardians. If it's an adult dependent who, let's say, has disabilities or needs to depend on you for other reasons, you will have other documents and you will set aside other funds, that kind of thing, to care for them. As far as your assets, you want to make sure that those get passed along properly without being taxed if possible, and avoid probate. Sometimes that means you put it in a trust, sometimes it's other options. Either way, you want to protect assets and move them along to whoever you're going to send them to as a beneficiary. So those are the 3 elements. Number 1, what happens to you? Number 2, what happens to your property? Number 3, how do you protect others and your assets? If you have questions about any of this, please feel free to reach out to me. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that. Or, as always, follow along on my social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.